M0013 currently right now. This one is one of those ones that comes and goes. A lot of pops here and there. You guys see this many times right here, right here, right here, and right here, and right here. Many pops here. And it's crazy because every single time that this one starts to pop, everybody goes crazy. It gets a lot of buzz everywhere. I mean, you just see this thing planted everywhere once it starts going again. Even though they're for short time, but hey, you know what? That's what it's about. If you have that opportunity to make a few bucks here and there, take it. Take it while it's there. And that's what happens here. Now, my personal opinion here, looking at the whole thing all put together here, it doesn't look like a Christmas tree to me. And what do I mean by that is that you see green, red, green, red, green, red, normally on a normal stock, a lot of green, a few red, a lot of green, a few red. But this one just looks like every single time that it starts to go, it just gets beat down by selling. That is what I see here. I mean, it's, with all due respect, if this is something that you invest in, I'm just telling you guys how I see it. Right here, big, run, whatever you want to call it, and the drop right afterwards, 1, 2, 3, boom, right after that. I mean, all the gains you guys gave in 3 days, gave it all back in 2. Boom, right off of that. And every single time this one tries to go, it gets whacked down with selling. For example, right here, you guys have a nice little move up here, 3 days, boom, big sell. Up, big sell. Up, 3 days sell. Up right here, just every single time, it just gets beat down. And it's not like a profit take, it's just like a heavy just selling. That's just my personal opinion on it. With that being said, though, with SHOM, watch. I mean, it's starting to get in that momentum again. But again, 0003. If you guys could get up to, or I'm sorry, 0013. I'm sorry, 0013. You get up there, maybe a 50% gain. Whatever the case might be, if you want to, risk your profits, it's been pretty steady. I mean, that's the only thing that you can definitely say about this one over the long term is that it comes down to that 0009 area and goes right back up, close to an easy double, if not 60% off of that multiple times. Watch for it. You know what? Take it for what it is. So with that being said, watch for this volume to start picking up. Their first move would be breaking through the simple day moving averages, which is it's trying to do right now with the heavy resistance level currently at 0014. You guys tapped it here and tapped it yesterday as well. Watch for a close at or above 0014 to confirm a possible move.
All right, so with these guys, the latest, there's been 2 press releases since the last time I looked over it with you. And that was on March 14th. It was SHOM has has gained 32 community hospitals through collaboration in using Medical Treasure and its own developed app, which would expect to achieve 200% revenue increase in the coming year. And then on March 27th, they had another press release. It was SHOM Home Medical reports positive earnings and expects to achieve 200% increase in the coming year with several new developments and new products. So Southern Home Medical Incorporated, a leading developer in the healthcare industry, has announced today that as a result of the new mergers, the company has reported positive earnings and revenue for the year of 2016, with several new developments and new products that the firm would expect to achieve 200% increase in the coming year. With the cooperation and assistance of Dr. Zhongzheng Li, who has made many breakthroughs involving precision medicine and the U.S. government's Precision Medicine Initiative. Precision medicine will have a massive future potential. It's modeled to create $607 billion in health benefits in the short time frame of 50 years. The firm's other focus is the Chinese stem cell market forecast is as follows: cardiovascular patients, 240 million, diabetes patients, 41.6 million, Alzheimer's patients, 14.6 million, and up to 30 billion by 2020. George Chang, Chief Executive Officer, while we are exceeding our expectations month after month in terms of revenues and net income, we are working on more cooperation, new developments, and more products for the company. We will continue this trend and increase our shareholder value year after year. We have strong confidence that the firm will achieve far better revenue and net income from those new signed cooperation, new developments, and new products. So that's that. On that same day, they had their annual report over here on OTC Markets. They basically filed the annual report. So right there, it says revenues of costs for the 12 months. Let me go up a little more. All right, so revenues and costs for the period were $368,436 and $240,958 compared to the $1,140,504 and $39,019 in the year 2015. While sales transactions were with unrelated parties and with major vendors such, our revenues decreased $733,049 from 2015 levels. The significant decrease was due to the rescission of prior SHOM subsidiaries. So that's that. So I mean, you figured these guys in 2015, their revenues were at $1,140,504, but they, like they said right here, a rescission. What that is a revocation or a cancellation or repeal of a law, order, or an agreement. So whatever they had going on before, obviously, that got rescinded. So now they're transitioning to all these other things. So obviously they made that kind of money before. So obviously the possibilities there. So if you have an opinion or you want to continue doing more due diligence on SHOM, just go right over to that board over there on Investors Hangout. Right there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, and the financials, the buy rating. And if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that SHOM board.
All right, and with the chart again, 0013, watch for a close at or above 0014. You guys are there right now. Can pop from there, but play it safe in my opinion. Resistance at 0014 and 0016, support at 0012 and 0010, must hold. Again, I just want to go over this one more time here for all you guys that follow this one. Don't take it the wrong way. I just try to tell you either way. If it's got the possibility of going, if it doesn't, if it's just being diluted, if it's whatever the case might be, I try to tell you guys exactly how I see it. And I don't want you to take the beginning of this video as any sort of being negative, because of the fact that I'm just following what the chart says right here, right here, and right here. Every single time that it pops, it just gets brought back down. Could it change from here and keep going? Absolutely. It's completely possible. So keep that in mind. This is what we're watching for right now, 0014. We're watching for a close at this current price or above. A 0015 close would be even better in my opinion. But let me know if you're watching this later on and it's after the market hours and it closed at 0014. Let me know, because I'll watch this one even closer. It could be setting up, but we'll keep that in mind. That being said, if this is your first time watching one of our videos, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. And if you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, let us know over at investorshangout.com/live.